Top 20 Vitamin D Foods to Supercharge Your Immunity. Salmon, wild caught. One of the richest natural sources of vitamin D, supports immune defense, heart, and bone health. Mackerel, fatty fish loaded with vitamin D and omega-3s for strong immunity and brain function. Sardines, tiny but mighty, high in vitamin D, calcium, and protein for strong bones and immunity. Tuna, canned, convenient, versatile, and packed with vitamin D to maintain energy and immune balance. Cod liver oil, liquid gold for vitamin D, also rich in vitamin A for overall health support. Egg yolks, natural, accessible vitamin D source to strengthen immunity and support metabolism. Fortified milk, dairy enriched with vitamin D, ideal for adults and children to maintain healthy bones. Fortified orange juice, delicious vitamin D boost for breakfast or snacks, perfect for vegetarians. Mushrooms, UV exposed /shiitake, plant-based vitamin D source, excellent for vegetarian or vegan diets. Cheese, fortified varieties, combines vitamin D with calcium to promote bone strength and immune health. Herring, small fish with high vitamin D content, also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Rainbow trout, tasty freshwater fish packed with vitamin D and essential fatty acids. Halibut, white fish that's a good source of vitamin D and lean protein for immunity. Fortified yogurt, smooth, creamy, and enriched with vitamin D to support bones and immunity. Fortified plant-based milks, soy, almond, oat. Great vegan-friendly option for daily vitamin D. Caviar, luxurious small fish eggs, surprisingly high in vitamin D and omega-3s. Eel, fatty fish rich in vitamin D and protein, traditional in several cuisines. Fortified breakfast cereals, easy and convenient way to get vitamin D along with fiber and other nutrients. Shrimp, low-calorie seafood with modest vitamin D content, also rich in selenium and iodine. Butter, grass-fed/fortified, contains small amounts of vitamin D, pairs well with whole foods for absorption. If this helped, hit subscribe to Vitality Reconstruct for easy wellness tips you can start today.